Hello Virgo, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of August 2020. For Virgos, I don't want to say that I'm unfair with other signs, but then today Virgo's energies were a little high and the cards were very when I was shuffling cards for you, I felt like putting some extra cards for you guys. So I have pulled one card per week, which is your relationship card, and I will give you one special message for every week, which is related to your relationship sector only. And so let's not waste any more time and get ahead with your reading. Before I start, I want to share my contact number with you, which is an India number, and the India code is 91, and the number is 8448901791. You can WhatsApp me. I'm very quick on WhatsApp, and you can email me also. My email ID is blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Do visit my website for the feedback of the previous clients. You will see there, and the address for the website is www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's go ahead. Okay, the first card, which is your theme of the month card, I'll show you the card which talks about transformation, guys. Changes, transformation, which are positive transformations. And the important message is that no matter you want this change or you don't want this change is coming your way. It is coming in your life. So be ready and accept it with an open arm. Okay, do not be hesitant of, oh well, if this change comes, how will I manage and whatever. No, don't do that. Changes are coming your way. Accept them and be happy about those changes. Okay, and now we are moving towards week by week prediction for you as to what is happening in the first week, second week, third and fourth week of August. Okay, and as I said, I'll be giving you one special advice also, which is related to your relationship here. So let's quickly do that also, and I'm quickly flipping the cards over. Let's see the vibrations I'm getting for you guys in the month. Okay, another important month for you, Virgo. Why is it important? Property related things are happening with you in the month of August, related to property. Maybe you buy something, you sell something, you want to invest somewhere. That's certainly happening in the very first week, and it is going to get you some freshness also in life. Something new is happening, something fresh is happening. So the first week talks about some freshness in your personal life, some fresh things happening in your personal life. And if you have been going through some kind of long illness, like you were not feeling well because of something or whatever reason, then I think the time has come that you will start recovering in the first week of August. So recovery, which is physical recovery, is coming your way. Mental recovery is also coming your way. You're becoming a new person altogether. So stress, or maybe if you are into some kind of depression, anxiety, you will find a way for yourself to get out of that. So that's something which is happening here. Okay, another thing which is important here is that if you are in leadership position, if you are at a work in a leadership position, there you are going to get some fresh energies or maybe something new to work upon. Okay, that's very much there. You need to, in relationships, you need to make the first move. So if your partner is not talking to you, if he's not he's upset with you, or you had some quarrel, some small dispute or whatever about anything, you will have to make the first move here, because the relationship card says that the great relationships, great love is worth taking the first step. Okay, so there's no harm in going ahead and then taking the first step in life. Also, your partner will anyways be your advisor here, so he is going to guide you. He'll become the leader in this relationship. He will lead the relationship very well. So and you are lacking those skills right now, Virgo. So it is better that you follow your partner at this point in time, because that will be a very nice advice which is coming from cards, and if you follow that, you will succeed. Okay, few of you, if you are actually have an eye on someone, you like someone, and you think that person is worth taking a chance, and I think it is very much okay and very much important that you take the first move. Tell the person that, hey, I love you, or maybe, hey, I like you, I want to be with you. So say these words. This will work out like a magic for you in the month of August. Second week of August is getting you some emotional stability. You will feel emotionally very stable in the second week, and some emotional refreshments happening in your life. A new relationship can actually knock on your door if you are single and say that, hey, I'm here and you were waiting for me. See, you prayed and I'm the result of your prayers. So that's coming your way certainly in the second week. So emotional stability, emotional refreshing energy, and the kind of partner you were always craving for, single Virgo, that they are coming your way in the second week of August. The timing is very positive. Also, before you enter your new relationship, it is important that you release your ex energies, release your ex partner's energies out of you. Stop haunting them, stop stalking them on social media, stop following them. So if you want to, enter into a new relationship, enter with a very fresh mind. Okay, so this freshness is required from you from the first week, and universe is telling you to refresh everything in you, so that when you enter the second relationship, it will give you positive signs altogether. At work also, do not compare your two organizations where you're working today and where you were working earlier, because it will give you pain. Okay, you will not be able to succeed in your current role if you will keep on comparing it with your previous opportunity, that I had these many benefits there, this company doesn't have that, or whatever. Stop comparison. So you will have to stop comparing people and organization and things if you want to be in a peaceful space, dear Virgo. Third week is getting you a lot of family time, family get together, being around with family, being surrounded with elder people, older people in the family, those older family members. And that will actually keep you a lot more engaged, a lot more busy, that you will not get time for your own self, your own development. That's something you will miss in the third week. So spend time with family, but along with that, do not compromise on your romantic feelings for your partner. Do not compromise on your life altogether. Also, if you like someone, you might be a part of some family gathering where you get to meet this person, but then it is you who will have to take out some time, steal some time for yourself and your prospective partner, and that's when you can share some time. So second week you're anyways meeting this person. Third week, your efforts will get you more time with this person, so you'll have to put in some efforts there. At work front, in finances, finances will be a little challenging, or maybe a little I will say that you will act like a miser, who doesn't want to spend too much money in your on your luxuries, and you want to spend money, count every penny what you are spending. This is the kind of person you will become in terms of finances in the third week. Okay, fourth week is telling you that if you have been into a relationship, Virgo, and did not work well, and it left you alone, or maybe it left you in that breakup zone, situation, and you've been thinking about what did you do, what did you not do, I think you will be served with the justice. If you are actually in a troublesome court case right now, some legal formalities are going on, the justice will be served by end of August. So if you are in a legal trouble, anything document related, anything which is a dispute, the justice will be served by the end of August, guys. So be prepared for that. Also, I told you every week there is a love advice. So the love advice for this month is your love life is actually influenced by your religious beliefs. So maybe in the same religion, or maybe with the same religious group is where you will get to meet this person, or your relationship will become strong. You will become a part of some religious activities, religious events. That's where you get an opportunity to come closer all together. So that's certainly happening here. So religion will play an important role in your lives in the month of August 2020, Virgo. Overall, this month is very nice. It is giving you refreshed energies. It is telling you to take the first step at a lot of places. So in relationships, you will have to take the first step. Don't expect your partner that he will come and take the step for you, and then you will be happy. Though I have already picked a card for you every week, how are the energies of your relationship in here, but then I would like to pull one more card for you, which is specifically your relationship card. It says that you have options is okay. All right, so you have options in life. Okay, and Okay, all right. So you have options in life. You have options, two options. Like if you can, you make it or you break it. You accept your life the way it is or you change it. So I already told you that you are the one who will have to take the initiatives here in your relationship, and that initiative is required from your end. So take the first step, rock your life, move on in life, and make it, make every step worth it or every moment worth it by your own efforts, dear Virgo. That's very important here. I would like to pull one more card for you, which is your angel card. I would like to see the vibrations and the messages your angels are giving you in the month of August 2020. And what is that special message, guys? Let's quickly see that. So the message says that you need to create a God box, Virgo. God box is something wherein you put your wishes in that, and you tell God that these are my wishes and I want to fulfill my wishes. These are the important things in my life. I want to fulfill them. Whatever your concerns are, whatever your fears are, just write them on a sticky and then put it in the drop box and tell God that please resolve my issues, and God will listen to your problems and it will start working on that. Because if you want something from your parents, or maybe if you want something from someone, you'll have to ask for it. So this is why you're asking God to help you with the situation you are in or whatever problem you are in. Okay, so take care of yourself, take care of your family, your friends, be happy, be good in life, and then God bless you, and spread positivity around you with, to the people who are associated with you, because this time is something wherein we strongly need it. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. God bless you, and see you again.